You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words for more confusing medical terms, names from anatomy as well. Make sure to stay tuned. We got them all coming up at the end of the video. The very confusing vocabulary. English pronunciation here. Umbilical, both British and American English pronunciations, UK and US, are similar. Umbilical. Stress on the second syllable. Umbilical, as in umbilical cord. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.